Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's tutorial we'll be tying a two-sided fan. So to all my subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be teaching you guys how to tie this scarf. So guys, be fast and ready to learn and unlearn and relearn. So very quick one. So the best thing to do now at this point, just go to the back, twist it to the front, then you start making your pleats. So quick one. You got to arrange your pleats. Just arrange everything. It's not that hard. It's not hard. Just make sure that everything is well arranged, well pleated. So you're done arranging everything, you twist it. See the way I'm just trying to twist it, and you see that everything is well arranged. So now, once you twist it, you ask your mother or your client to help you and hold the other side while you dig at the other side. Then you have to pin. Make sure while pinning, make sure that you pin very well low. You don't pin and leave. You pin very well. Then the next thing is now for you to start picking up pleats. At least you pick like one, then you pin back again. Then when you're done picking, you make sure that your client is now set. Like set to now do the thing. So what do you do now? You start picking the pleat. You pick and go down back to the, like you pin back. Then you start picking it gently. You don't have to pick too much. You don't have to pick too small. You are picking moderately. When I say moderately, you are picking moderately. Okay. Now, see the way I'm trying to pick this thing. I make sure that I pick everything in a good moderate form. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Then I'll go back. Once I pick, I'll take it to the back. Once I pick, I'll take it to the back. And I'll make sure that everything is in line. Everything is well arranged. Now, so this is what I'll keep doing. You see? Once I'll keep doing it, and I'll make sure that everything is equal. Once you're tying this style and everything is not equal, you are not doing anything. Everything got to be equal from start to finish. Then I'll go to the back. So I'll keep picking this thing. I'll keep picking, and once you pick, you go to the back. You can pick and hang, then later you arrange it. So you don't have to stress yourself picking and hanging. So pick and go to the back. So this is the process you keep doing, you keep doing, you keep doing, you keep doing. If you do, you pause and check, is it in line? Then yes, if it is in line, you continue. Then you keep doing till you get to the back. This is it. You get to the back, you make sure that, okay, I'm already at the back. So what is the next thing for us to do? I will check the gele out. Okay, is in line. Okay, everything is okay. Then I will now go to the back. I will now gather everything, all the excesses. I will now fold it. You see, I'll gather everything. I'll fold it. Then I'll gather everything. I'll make sure that I check out and everything is in line, then before I'll continue. So reason to avoid mistake and not to tie it twice. That is just the thing, no. Because tying gele twice is one thing you won't want to experience. So that is the reason why you got to check before you do your final wrapping up. So at this point, I'm done. I'm kind of using pin to now hold it. So now the next thing is to go to the other side. Mind you that every step you took in the first one, you just wrapped up now, is the same step we're taking on this thing. So no too much explanation. Do you get? Not too much explanation. Every step is a double fan stuff, so every step is being repeated. Like the gele is so simple to learn, just very, very simple. It only requires you to do practice, nothing. Once you can get the other side, getting the next side won't be a very difficult thing to do because you have already gotten the other side. So this is a very simple style that I will want you to try out at home. Seriously, I want you guys to try this thing at home. It's very, very simple, very, very simple to create. It's not something you kind of rush. Oh no, it's a very simple thing to create. Very, very simple, not too hard, not too hard to create. So that is it for now, guys. So I want you guys to like do your thing. The reason why I didn't actually cut out anything, like this video, there was no cut out from this video. Even the mistake was intentional, so you can know that you are human and you're about to make mistake while trying out this style. That was why I left the video unedited, like nothing was cut out. Everything you see here is how it was the day we did this. So you are human, so if you try it and you didn't get it, try again. You keep trying till you do what? Till you get it. So guys, it's a very simple thing that I know that you can do it. I know you can do it. So I intentionally left everything, like I intentionally left it like that. Seriously, I knew why I left it like that, so you know that you are human. And one thing about gele is that mistakes are bound to be there. But there is one popular saying that says that if a tailor make mistake in a cloth, it will be what? It will be its design. So even if you are tying it and you notice that, oh, I've already made mistake, oh, don't lose it in front of your client. Don't lose it. That confidence that you started with, finish it up. Don't lose that gele. Continue. Mind you, everything that we are doing on this side has been done on the other side though. So that is me. This is me like kind of dishing you advice. So nothing much, nothing less. This is a very simple style. I know that you can actually try out at home. Very, very simple to try out. Very, very simple to tie. It only require your time. Do you have that time? Do you have that patience? That is just the thing. Do you have that time? Do you have that patience to learn this? If you have all the time and you have the patience, my dear, ride on. Go ahead, do your thing. That is all I can say in this. So guys, I'll be so happy if you can do this and tag me. I will be so happy to see that at least somebody was able to learn something from my little tutorial online. So guys, you see, it's not hard. Nobody was born perfect. We all went through the process of learning. So this is it. And guys, I want to introduce auto gele. So I'll be doing one trending style on auto gele. So but it will be for members only. So you have to register for it if you want to learn it. You have to be my member. You have to belong to my community to learn this style. So I'll be dropping a tutorial very soon on it. So guys, if you are interested to learn it, you have to pay for it. It's a very, very small amount of money. So you pay for it, then you are free to join the class. And it's just for members only. Members only. Members only. So if you're not a member, you're not learning it. So if you think I should start the auto gele class, I also wanted to drop a comment on the comment section. And if you feel like this gele that I tied, you learned something, I want you to drop a comment on the comment section. To all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. You have been there with me. To the new subscribers, thank you. To the old one, big love, massive love. I love you guys. So this is what we're able to create. Don't forget, share, like, and comment. Share, like, and comment. So guys, this is what we are able to create on our class. So see you guys, create it. I'll be so happy to see it on. Tag me too. Love you guys. Love you.